So here is my Inssist web client for Instagram. So this is very popular one, and for Instagram you can we will read the overview. For Instagram, post photo, video, stories, reels to Instagram from web, schedule posts, send DMs, manage hashtag, basic features for Instagram on desktop. Use Instagram almost like on your phone. Post photos, stories, IGTVs, video, everything you can see. Get relevant hashtag suggestions, send direct message, dark mode, advanced feature for Instagram on PC mode. You see here, this is very useful application for your Instagram. So this is 4.7 out of 5 this rating for this one, and 5.4 rating they give rating to the Google Chrome by SA. So here we go to add extension, and then we come here, add extension. Now you see here web client for Instagram has been added to Google Chrome. So here you will find it. Inssist to your personal Instagram assistant, to your best way to use Instagram on desktop. It's free, post photos, videos, and everything you see here. So this is the way you can do it. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video.